Excuse me, are you English? No, I am an Indian. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 28 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. How long have you been here? About 2 years. How many children do you have? I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. How many languages do you speak? I speak 4 languages. How are you? I am fine. And you? Would you like to have coffee? No, thanks. I like tea. How about a cup of tea? It sounds good. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure. Anything else? Nothing else. Whom would you like to speak to? I like to speak to Mr. Azim, please. When will he be back? He'll be back in 20 minutes. What time does it start? It starts at 10 o'clock. What will be the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you afraid? No, I'm not afraid. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I'm allergic to dust. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you have any vacancy? Sorry, we don't have any vacancy. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. How far is it? It's about 20 kilometers. How does it taste? It's delicious. What is your job? I am self-employed. How much do you have? I don't have any money. What's the date today? It's August 2. How much is it to go to Mumbai? It is 400 rupees. What does he do? He is a farmer. What does this mean? That means friend. What time is checkout? 4:30 p.m. What time is it? It's 1:45. Where is the closest hotel? There is a hotel over there. How is the weather? It's going to be hot today. When do you get off work? I get off work at 6 p.m. How is she? She's pretty.